Thursday, November the 19th, almost 1 in the afternoon. Stopped out here on Howland Hill Road, out in the open. You can see the windshield wipers are on. There's a very, very light rain falling, but so light you can barely see it and hear it on the roof. But as soon as I start moving and get under the canopy, you're going to hear these big booms on the rooftop. And that's all going to be the rain that has condensed on the leaves on the trees in the canopy and dripping off onto the roof. I hope you can hear that. And as you can see, we're in peak color change for a lot of the foliage right now. Mill Creek is coming up. And there's a lot of rain coming. It's definitely raining harder now. I had to get out of the car for this shot of the creek. So it's going to be short because we can't get this iPhone too wet. Here we are going downstream. I apologize for all the shakiness and bumps. I really hope YouTube can wipe them away and make this much more stable than it actually is riding down the road here. Okay, leaving the park, back into civilization. And one of my favorite signs, this gives new meaning to the word congested. For all you city folk, look how congested things are here. Oh yeah. Almost gridlock. The congested sign is there because now that we're out of the park, there are actually people living here. But I would not be calling this congested.